Hi, I'm Brandon with IT Equipment. I'm the head of the Quality Control Division here. Today we have your 2010 Ford F550 with an Altec AT37G boom on it. We're going to show you all the features of your truck and show you how to operate your boom. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start it up. Alright, this unit has a push button PTO. It'll be our first switch up top here. You want to make sure your truck is in park and your parking brake is set all the way down. Turn your PTO switch on, lights up red, you hear your truck rev up and your PTO is engaged. On the rear of the truck we have a start stop. Press and hold. Truck is stopped. DC pump kicks on. Wait a couple seconds. Press and hold. Truck is started again. Over on the side of the truck here, we have our tool circuit here, our tool circuit hookups right here. We have our selector, all the way up the outriggers. Push it down for lift. Make sure it's up to lower your outriggers. We'll lower our outriggers on our driver's and passenger side. Driver's side outrigger. Alright, once you get your outrigger set, push your selector down. Now we have hydraulic start pedestal. This boom has been certified, dielectric tested by IT Equipment. It's good for 1 year. We have a start stop DC pump here in our pedestal. Press and hold. Truck is stopped. DC pump kicks on. Wait a couple seconds. Press and hold. Truck is started again. Everything is labeled nice and clearly on the pedestal. We have arm raise and lower, boom extend retract, rotation clockwise, counterclockwise. Then we have boom raise and lower. That'll be upper boom, our last one. Then we have our selector all the way down for emergency stop and lower controls. Push it up for upper controls. That'll be your bucket. So make sure it's down to operate from your pedestal. I'm gonna fly this boom from your pedestal and show you that everything works. Move our selector lever up to upper controls. Now we have hydraulic stroke bucket. Here for our controls in our bucket, we have an emergency hydraulic stop. When this is pressed down, none of your controls in your bucket will work at all, so make sure it's pulled up. Down here we have an emergency lowering valve. If all else fails, you get stuck in there, you crack this valve, it'll slowly lower you to the ground. We also have a start stop and a DC pump. Press and hold, truck is stopped. DC pump kicks on. Wait a couple seconds, press and hold, truck is started again. We have a bucket stove. Down here we have our tool circuit on and off. We have our tool circuit hookups up here. We have platform rotation, clockwise, counterclockwise. For a pistol grip, squeeze your safety trigger to lift up to raise your upper boom. Press down to lower your upper boom. Push forward to raise your lower boom. Pull back to lower your lower boom. Twist your handle from your left to your right to extend and retract your upper boom. For rotation, clockwise, counterclockwise, you move your handle from your left to your right. We'll fly your boom from your bucket, show you that everything works.
Platform rotation. Platform leveling.
Alright, move our selector up. Raise her out, Richard. Alright, to disengage your PTO, turn your PTO switch off. Your PTO is disengaged. Driver steer tire. Engine compartment, everything is nice and dry. This unit has been fully serviced. Passenger steer tire. Passenger side boxes. This box here, we have our power inverter. Passenger side drive tires. Alright, our steps to our bed itself, the sides of our boxes, the top of our boxes, the base of our pedestal are all Line-X. Really tough stuff, excellent for wear. It also provides a good walking surface on your bed. Zoom in, show you the Line-X texture. Everything you see in black in the rear of the truck here is all Line-X. Sides of your boxes, top of your boxes, rear of the truck. Driver side boxes. This first box will keep all your safety equipment, fire extinguisher, triangles, wheel chucks, and your bucket cover. Driver side drive tires. This unit has been fully DOT inspected. Here's your DOT sticker. Take a look in the cab. Everything is nice and clean and complete. Every option this unit has is in good working condition. Alright, there you have it. Everything works really well. We have a really nice unit for you. We're going to send this video to you email. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact your salesman. Thank you for your purchase and have a good day.